Hi guys, hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the first question of exercise 12.1. So it says a tower stands vertically on the ground from a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees and we need to find the height of the tower. So let's try a tower first. So let's assume this is the tower and let the tower be AB, and he's saying a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. So let this be the point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. Let this be C, and he's saying from this point the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. So let this be the angle of elevation. So this is the 45 degrees is the angle of elevation. And next we need to find the height of the tower. So basically we need to find the length of AB. Let it be x. So here the sides we have with respect to 45 degrees are opposite side and adjacent side. So the trigonometric ratio which has opposite and adjacent side is tan. So tan C is equal to AB by CB and angle C equal to 45. So tan 45 is equal to x by CB equal to 15. Therefore, now tan 45 equal to 1, which is equal to x by 15. And if I bring this 15 to the left hand side, we get x equal to 15. That's it. So since the measurement they gave is in meters, the result also will be in meters. Therefore, x we got as 15 meters, that is the height of the tower is equal to 15 meters. That's it. Hope you understood the question. See you in the next one. Thank you.